In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify's new Search and Discovery app. Tutorial. Start by opening your Shopify admin in a browser and head to the Apps section from the left sidebar. In the Apps area, use the search bar to look up Shopify's official Search and Discovery app. When you see it in the results, open it and click Install. Approve the prompts to complete the installation, then return to your apps list and open the app so we can configure it. First, let's improve how customers filter products on your storefront. Inside the app, choose Customize Filters. Click Add Filter, then select Source. For this example, pick brand so shoppers can quickly narrow products by the brands you carry. You'll see a few fields highlighted. Adjust those as needed, such as the display label or options, and then click Save. Filters usually appear on collection and search pages, and they rely on your existing product data, so make sure your products actually have brand values set, or you won't see much change. Next, move to the Search section of the app and open Product Boosts. Click Add Products to choose items you want to rank higher in search results. If you don't have a suitable product yet, create one now. Open a new product page and add your images under Media. Fill in the key product details in the highlighted fields, including pricing and any variants. Update quantity so the item is in stock and can be sold. In the shipping area, add the necessary details if this product is a physical item. Set the product status to active so it's available on your sales channels. If you see highlighted fields for tags, vendor, or collections, complete those to improve how the product appears in filters and recommendations. Choose the default product template if prompted, then use the highlighted buttons to confirm your changes. With the product created and active, return to Product Boosts and add it to your boost list so it surfaces higher for relevant searches. Now go back to the main app screen and open Recommendations. Click Add Products to curate items that should be recommended together. Select your product from the picker and confirm in the highlighted dialog. This complements automatic recommendations by giving you control over what shoppers see alongside a product. That's it. You installed the app, added a brand filter to help shoppers drill down, boosted a product so it ranks higher in search, and curated recommendation groups to increase cross-sells. After changes, give your storefront a moment to update, and always preview on a collection and a product page to confirm everything.